Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am sharing a process video for a teacher thank you card. In this video I will be assembling die cuts with a lot of air quotes help from Maggie. You may have met her before in other videos. Before I begin, I would like to ask you to get clicky for Vicky. This is my own catchy way of asking you to like, share, comment and subscribe. For this card I'll be using Lawnfawn Thanks a Bushel, a good apple, ground coffee, algae and barn red cardstock, and also pint-sized pattern paper in blue and an apple border die. The layout for this card came together very easily. I knew I wanted rows of apples in varying lengths and the thanks teacher line border made the perfect sentiment. Very little stamping involved in this card, you may even wonder where I include it. I begin by assembling the rows of apples. I had die cut the pieces I needed off screen. Here I will introduce Maggie, in case you haven't had the pleasure of meeting her already. In other videos her appearances have been brief, but today she wanted to feature in the whole show. I feel the idea of fame may go to her head a little. Maggie is currently 11 months old and is in full training to be a crafty cat or a menace to society, as my husband says frequently. I won't report on her every move here, but just let you enjoy the comedy value of having a cat help me to craft. I use the Gina K pickup tool and liquid glue for the assembly. With all apples assembled, I lay everything out on the patterned paper. The help from Maggie continues here. I intend to use liquid glue to attach everything. I'm sure you're still wondering where I did the stamping. Well, don't be alarmed, but I actually stamped the inside of the card. I very rarely do this, but I love the sentiment "you're a good apple," and it wouldn't have worked on the front of the card. I also stamp a small barrel of apples in the bottom right corner and add a little colour to them. The Copic caps can be seen on the screen. Finally, I add the panel to the card base and that finishes the card. Maggie gets a fuss made of her here. I love that she stuck around for the creation of this card. This was a very simple card to create. Yes, the apples took a little bit of time, but I often find assembling dies quite a relaxing process. I love the red and blue together with the small pops of green and brown. This card was inspired by episode 220 of Craft Roulette. This card is perfect for a male teacher. The dragon colours are mainly red, blue and green. There is a basket or barrel of apples in the inside, and I have arranged my rows of apples in a bar chart fashion on the front. With mention of Craft Roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it is all about, and hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to Craft Roulette on YouTube. It is so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to get clicky for Vicky. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now, everyone. Take care, and I will be back soon.